The first scientific concept I want to discuss is fermentation. I did not know what fermentation was before taking FSHN 101. I learned that fermentation is a process where yeast and bacteria break down things like glucose and sugar into acids or alcohol, which changes how the food tastes. Examples of fermentation in foods can be yogurt or kimchi. The concept I want to discuss is water activity and dehydration. I've been vegetarian for about 7 years, therefore I have never had the desire to learn about how beef jerky was made. But after learning about it in FSHN 101, I never realized how precise the process is. The meat is cut into thin strips, seasoned, laid onto a screen, and then dehydrated. The goal is to cook the meat low and slow for the best results. This reduces water activity in the meat, which kills bacterial growth. The scientific concept I learned in FSHN was the role of gluten while baking a cake. I have been baking with my mom since I was little, but never looked into the science behind each ingredient. The role of gluten was really interesting to me. Flour has gluten in it, which gives the cake its shape or structure. It also adds a stretchy component. While the cake is baking, the gluten produces gases that leaven the cake. Soda to be interesting. The baking soda creates carbon dioxide bubbles. These bubbles are trapped within the cake and start to expand while it's cooking. The expansion is what makes the cake grow and rise. Concept I found interesting in FSHN 101 was the difference between black tea and green tea. The difference is that black tea is oxidized. When black tea is being made, the leaves are spread out onto a large sheet, which starts the oxidation process. The oxygen makes the tea leaves darken, which makes the flavor more powerful.